Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete the On Patrol Part 1 mission in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To complete this mission, you have two simple tasks. Play with your crew members for 20 minutes and patrol the jewelry store for 10 minutes. Joining a crew is very simple. You can play with your friends or other players on the server. Just click on the menu icon, click the plus icon on the right side and join any crew. You can invite your friends too. As you can see, I am already in a crew right now. You need to spend 20 minutes in game while being in a crew. While working on that, head over to the jewelry store to complete your 10-minute patrol. As long as you spend 10 minutes inside the jewelry store while in a crew, both tasks will progress at the same time. For example, I was already playing with my crew earlier, so I already have 12 minutes complete. By the time the 10-minute patrol is done, both requirements will be finished. Once your 10 minutes in the jewelry vault are complete, head over to the police station, talk to the NPC Bert, and turn in the mission to claim your completion. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.